Hey, what's up everyone? It's Ryan Turley here. Welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how to make the hottest chicken wings I've ever had. So a couple episodes ago I made some Scotch Bonnet mango fermented hot sauce, and that was straight fire. To tone it down a little bit, I'm going to mix that in with some homemade blue cheese dressing and kind of make a buffalo hot wing sauce. And also, just to kick it up a notch, I'm using a citrus habanero rub from Spanglish Asadero. And I love this rub, it goes so well with chicken, and that's just gonna provide a nice base coat for these ridiculously hot chicken wings. So stay tuned and we're gonna get right into it. All right, so to put the blue cheese dressing together, we are gonna throw in a half a cup of mayonnaise, 1/2 cup of sour cream, about 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, so that's about a half a lemon there. Lemon juice in, about a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, or really any vinegar that you have, and then about a half a teaspoon each of our dry spices. Got garlic powder here, dried mustard powder, and some fresh ground black pepper. A dash of Worcestershire sauce, just a dash. And then we're gonna add about a tablespoon of whipping cream. You can use milk as well, but you know, we like that thick. And I've got a cup of crumbled blue cheese here. I'm not sure I'm gonna use all of it, but I'm gonna throw about half of it in now. And then give that a whisk. Now we're gonna add 1 minced garlic clove. And I've got a microplane here. I love this thing. It's one of my favorite kitchen utensils. If you don't already have one, this thing is perfect for garlic, ginger, turmeric, and also zest of lemon or lime. And then we are going to finely mince some chives here. All right, minced garlic and our chives in, about 2 tablespoons. And this is about the consistency that I like it. And we are just gonna add all the rest of this blue cheese here, so we still have some nice chunks here towards the end. And then we will just throw it in this vessel here and let it chill out in the fridge for a couple of hours. All right, so next we are gonna prep our chicken wings, and I've had my wings marinating in a pickle juice brine for about 4 hours, and you can do this overnight as well, but I'm telling you, if you've never brined your chicken wings in pickle juice, do it. It is a game changer. And now just pat them dry with some paper towels. Next, we are gonna apply our dry rub. I've got the fiery citrus habanero from Spanglish Asadero, and I'm telling you, this rub is so good on chicken. The flavor profile and the spice level is unbelievable. If you don't like spice, you can definitely use any dry rub that you like on chicken. So as you can see, I'm applying a liberal coat of this citrus habanero dry rub to every section of these wings, and now I'm laying them out on a cooling rack, and you'll see why I do that in just a minute. Now here I've got the Traeger pork and poultry rub that I'm going to apply to just a few wings for my 1-year-old daughter. Not sure how she's going to handle that habanero. All right, so we're ready to go. I'm gonna let these wings sweat for a bit. You really wanna let your rub just settle into these wings for about 15 to 30 minutes. Even throw them in the fridge for a few hours and it will do them some good and really allow that skin to crisp up. So I've fired up my Traeger to 450 degrees. We've come to temp and we are ready to throw these wings on. And so as you can see, I've still got that cooling rack on, and I can just throw the entire set of wings onto the grill. Now after 20 minutes, we're gonna rotate that cooling rack and also give each wing a flip. Give them another 20 minutes and they should be done. Now chicken is safe to eat at 165 degrees internal, but I'm going for about 180 or 190 on these wings. They will still be moist as ever, trust me. You want that skin to be crispy and you want that meat to be bite off the bone. All right, so immediately after those wings come off the grill, you want to throw them into a bowl, and then we're going to add our fermented Scotch Bonnet mango hot sauce and our homemade blue cheese dressing. If you're not a blue cheese fan, definitely go with ranch. It's going to taste amazing. Now give that a little toss. Another toss. And hey, maybe a shake. Look at that. Those look so good. Let's get this plated. So I've got some carrots diced up, some celery, a little bit of extra blue cheese to cool it off. And then on the left, I've got the Traeger rub, the pork and poultry for my daughter. And then on the right, I've got a couple of dry citrus habanero wings, just to see how that rub is without the sauce. Wow, that looks incredible.
All right, so it's the next day and I couldn't get the taste test on for you all last night. We were just way too hungry and our daughter was just getting a little cranky and we had to get everybody fed. So I've reheated a couple of flats and a drum here and then some of the homemade blue cheese, hopefully just to cool that off. So before I try these, be sure to drop me a like on this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit that notification bell so that you don't miss another upload. I post videos weekly about smoking meats on my Traeger Grill and would love for you to join me along the way. All right, let's do this. Wow, just bite off the bone, so tender still. That pickle brine on these is unbelievable. Whew. Definitely feeling that heat. Yep. I'm gonna have to hit some of this blue cheese to cool it down. Whew. Wow. Those are still just as spicy as they were last night, but they're so good. They're like addicting. It's like that heat that you just want to keep coming back for. You think you have another bite or two, it's gonna cool off, but it doesn't. So that Scotch Bonnet mango hot sauce is unbelievable. If you all haven't made it yet, give it a shot. It's got Scotch Bonnet, mango, carrot, ginger, garlic, and a few other ingredients. It's a super well-rounded hot sauce. And then adding it to some blue cheese just gives it that additional depth of flavor and does cool it off quite a bit. With these chicken wings though, since I applied that heavy coat of citrus habanero rub from Spanglish, man, these are straight fire. If you're still watching, thanks again for tuning in and we'll catch you in the next one. Peace.